So let me show you how to turn on best performance on your Windows laptop. So by default, your Windows laptop has two types of performances. So you have the best performance and balanced performance. And to turn on best performance at any time, you want to go into the start button and then click on settings. Under settings, on the left hand side, click on system. And then under system, you want to go to power and battery. Here we are, click on that. And you'll notice you have power mode. So you have balanced power mode. So you can choose whether you want balanced or best performance when you're plugged in to a charging cable, or whatever happens when you're on battery. So if you want the absolute best performance, you can choose best performance both when plugged in and when on battery. Okay, now of course this is going to drain your battery a bit more, but you'll always get the best performance, right? So that's basically how to enable best performance on your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching and good luck.